Alright guys, so we're in the Autoboat app. Connect your device. Once you see a blue light here, it means you're connected. You can hear this terribly well, but that was a one beep. And every time you turn it on, a function on or off, it's a beep plus a descending beep. So on, off. Right? Shut up, duck! So if you want to go to anchor mode, and the same beep. Nav mode, descending beep. You power it off with a, makes kind of an emergency sound when you hit the emergency cutoff button. If you press it again, it will make that sound every time you connect it to a battery or you restart it from the emergency cutoff switch. So the phone app is fantastic to have, especially as an emergency remote, but it sucks as a primary remote. The regular remote works much better.